got you. Oh.
I don't think that's fair.
Hey!
Really? Really?
Where are we?
Let's go.
Baby name?
No.
Oh crap.
Rose.
You use this place?
I haven't
Rose,
been in here
we're
for
coming.
ages.
Can I
Plus,
call you?
everything looks different.
Yeah. It's like some twisted version of reality.
Yeah. Is this another jump dash? Good job, good job. Oh,
Natural.
naturals. Yep, I'm right here. Last time May and Cody learned something very important. Fixing things doesn't start with answers. It starts with conflict. The vacuum wasn't just an enemy. It was a consequence of avoidance, of resentment, of everything left unsaid. And now they're still small, still separated, still trying to find their way back to each other. Now enter the toolbox, a place meant to rebuild, to repair, to make things stronger than they were before. But rebuilding requires trust, coordination, and the willingness to listen, even when it's uncomfortable. This isn't about talking nails and hammers, I guess. It's about learning how to work together. Again, this is chapter 2, the toolbox. Okay, I have a hammer,
Careful with
you
that
have
nail,
a
Cody.
nail.
Look in my eye.
Okay, well don't drop that hammer on my toe. I think I'm gonna be
Worry, I
sick.
know how to handle tools.
Yeah, well me too.
Last time you used a hammer, you smashed your own thumb.
Yeah, well, okay, I did. But I'm in
Okay,
charge
Oh.
of the nail
where I got
Okay,
you to
okay.
go.
Just
Oh.
be careful.
Maybe we have to go down here? Or maybe, wait. Oh wait, okay, try shoot it right here, maybe?
Where?
Right,
Oh,
right there, maybe?
Okay. Oh. Down a little bit or up? Right here?
Yeah, let's just go for right there.
Oh. Alright, so.
Okay.
Can you
How
jump
am I
up?
supposed to jump on that,
I
Chris?
don't know.
How am I supposed to jump on that? Wait, maybe, okay, wait, what if we just supposed to go down here?
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Let's go over here.
Yeah, look at this.
This is so
Whee!
satisfying.
I got you. Oh! I am so sorry.
Okay, I think you're supposed to hit it and I'm supposed to dash. Yeah, okay.
You know, okay, and then you're supposed to hit a nail though. There's looks like a nail spot for you, that yellow spot right there.
Okay, so I'll aim at it. Okay, let's try.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, it's all the way up there. Oh, okay. Do it again.
Got you.
Got it.
Okay, good job, good job.
Hey, maybe we can swing off that nail.
I'm not supposed to
Steady
call it.
now.
Wait, how am I supposed to swing? Are you supposed to grab onto me?
I think you just swing. Can you jump off?
Okay, wait. But how? I don't know if I'm gonna make it. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you
yeah.
got it.
Sweet moves. Like your style, man.
Oh, thanks, hammer.
Okay, so there's this like yellow paint spot again.
Oh, maybe I'll throw the nail up there.
Any day now.
There.
Yep. Okay. Yep. Oh. Uh-huh.
Hold on
Yep.
tight.
You got it.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Nice, nice.
Okay, there's another spot right here.
Is that too low? Oh, you got it.
I got. Am I
You're
supposed
too
to
low.
hold it?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe. It
What?
might be too low. You might not have time to hit it. Go down a little bit. Up a little bit. It's very sensitive.
There. I'm trying.
Maybe dash?
Yeah, I'm supposed to hold it, but I'm not getting enough time. Like, get it.
Yeah, that's...
I am dashing. Oh, I forgot to jump. Jump, dash.
Oh,
What?
maybe there's something... maybe you're not... I don't know.
Okay, what if I sprint?
Can you just jump across?
No, Chrissy.
Well, it was jump, jump, dash.
Okay. Jump, jump, dash. Oh, okay. It's a jump, jump, dash moment. Jump, jump, dash. I still
I think you
can't
gotta
get it.
get closer.
What? Okay. Jump, jump, dash.
Oh,
I am
and
trying
then
so
you
hard
click,
right
I think.
now. Jump, jump.
There you go.
Okay, please. Please make it 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
There's another
Okay.
nail. Let's go get it. Yoo-hoo! Still over
I get it
here?
for you.
Hello? The bridge, please.
Yeah.
Sweet.
If I hit this?
More
Yep.
ammunition.
I got you.
Go easy on me.
Oh yeah, those look like 2 spots right there for your nails, right?
Where?
Over here. The yellow
okay.
stuff, or is it just yellow? Or is that for me?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Okay. Okay, you get on. I run to this one. Wait, what? That was almost a good save. Hey, okay, you just jump across.
To the
Can you
next
beat that?
one, yeah.
Yeah, jump across.
Oh.
Hey, that hit it. Okay, that worked.
Okay.
Now,
there's a
what
whole
am
bunch of
I
glasses.
supposed to do? Am I supposed to, like, boom, hit this?
Oh,
And
I was
boom,
supposed
hit
to...
this?
No, I was supposed to nail it.
Oh, that's actually good. Okay.
So we gotta do this one a little bit, and then the next one a lot.
Okay. Oh, you're making a staircase. Okay, got you. Hit it. Okay. Okay, I got you. One more time. Yes.
Call me Arrow. A hot guy.
Nail guy. Okay, it's not a jump dash. It's probably a jump.
You might have it too high.
Maybe it's a jump dash. Okay,
Oh, I got it.
how did you get that?
Jump dash. Hey.
Yep. Jump dash. I am jump and dashing. You see?
But then I had to climb up a little bit. Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. Whoop!
Easy on me.
I'm not even hitting you.
I
How did your character say that?
I'm in the area. gotta be mindful of that.
Okay. Dr. Hakim, I have it from here. Ah, a challenge. Now this is interesting. You see, May and Cody relationships are not only about working together. Sometimes they're about seeing who is better. These challenges will test your skills, your patience, and how you react when things don't go your way. One of you will win, one of you will lose. And how you handle that says a lot about your relationship. So go on, compete, learn something about yourself. And remember, it's only a game. Or is it?
Whack a Cody. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, I get it.
Oh,
Wait, how do I know which one to hit?
Your head, Cody.
Oh, you
don't.
won't
This is
beat
a
me.
test.
I'm faster than a mole.
My
Wait.
hammer's faster than that.
Wait, what?
Oh!
You missed!
Come on now.
Peekaboo!
Nope.
Oh, I stayed there a little too long. They make me stay there too long. This is not fair.
Slow.
That should have been one.
That's right.
Oh.
I'm the champion.
They make me stay there too long.
You
No,
were
that's
two
not
against
fair.
one.
I don't think that's fair.
Hey!
Really? Really?
Oh,
Boom.
the sweet sounds of machinery.
Oh, I think this is
There's
you.
Nothing better.
It must be hard to aim it with a controller.
I
Run!
forget. Oh. I forget which way to go.
Okay, I guess we're going down here. Okay, what does this look like to you? Is it a pound punch? Oh, over there, Chrissy.
Wait, over
Oh,
where?
wait, I'm supposed over here.
Keep forgetting. Okay.
I'm right there.
Right there.
I went out the wrong time. I went out the wrong. Okay. I'm ready this time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, I think I'm supposed to go down here. Now I'm supposed to help you right
There's
here.
another machine in the way here, Cody.
Oh, I think I'm supposed to launch you.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm supposed to be on that? Or are you supposed to be on that? Wait, what?
Oh, you gotta launch me again. I thought it was just a door to bring you back. Ready?
Wait, I'm supposed to come back?
Yeah, I'll hold it. Oh. Got a little thing for me to keep it.
Oh, okay. Now what?
Now what?
Oh, over here. Over here. Good job. Run. It's going down. Okay, I think I launched you again. Another challenge? Interesting how eager you are to compete. You see, Mary and Cody, winning is easy when things go your way. But what about when they don't? This challenge is just not about speed or strength. It's about focus, pressure, and what you do when the other one pulls ahead. Will you panic? Will you blame? Or will you keep going? One of you will succeed. One of you will fail. And remember, how you react matters more than who wins. Now, show me what you got. Wait, what's that over there? Challenge, it's a challenge, Chrissy.
Oh.
What the heck is that thing?
Looks like there's a switch for hammer in the middle.
What is this supposed to do? Dash.
At target to score. Oh no.
Use your hammer on the targets to score. Oh, I don't know. I have to
My
dash with
nails
this one.
are better than your hammer.
You wish.
Just you watch.
This
You might
is
be
harder.
quicker than me on this one.
Nailed it! Easy. Oh!
Oh.
Head!
Cool.
And another one. Third.
Bruh, I cannot aim with this thing.
You see, I was just pressing random buttons.
See, you can just press button. I had to aim and everything.
Yeah, I was just like dash, press, dash, press.
Alright, so what we
That
got
was
to do?
fun. Oh wait,
you.
look right there. You see that?
How you get over there?
Oh wait, okay, look over here. Oh gosh, this is jump, dash.
Is it too far over?
I think I just overshot it.
Oh wait, I might can put both. I don't know if you need both, but
I think I just keep shooting it. Maybe I don't need to like dash. Maybe I just need to jump off. Wait. 2, 3. Got it. Okay, jokes aside here, this challenge took us way longer than it should have, but in the end we got through it. I'm just giving y'all an advance just in case, because right now you're about to be what's the word, tormented by our playing skills, or mostly my playing skills. I was on keyboard and mouse, so give me some slack, y'all, please. I'm a console player, please. What is this?
Be careful now, May.
Yeah. Cody.
Oh, Chrissy,
don't
what is
screw
this?
this up.
Yeah,
when do
just
I
get
have
to
to-
jumping.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
okay, it's on there. I think
Okay,
that's
okay.
all I have to do.
I'm gonna die. Wait, how'd I get? Wait, what?
Do I have to shoot something?
Wait, what? I don't understand.
You
Can
have
I
to
jump?
run and jump as soon as you get on.
But I'm still gonna get hit if I do, though.
You might have to run,
Mhm.
dash, jump on the other one to get across. Like, you can't stay on that one. You can't just ride it.
But like when I'm right here, I'm getting hit.
Yeah, you gotta go before that. Oh, oh, maybe. Oh, at the bottom. Hold on.
Oh yeah, okay. You gotta stop me at the right moment. You let me go? I messed
Probably
up.
should stop the other one first.
Oh, okay, wait. No, there's 2.
Yeah,
I
let
just
me-
need to get on the hammer. No, not that one. Oh, I guess you can stop that one, yeah.
Alright, ready?
Okay, I'm about to
Next
get on
one?
this one. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. What?
Is it too far
Am
away?
I too far? Am I supposed to get?
Oh no, this one might be too far.
Okay. Yeah, I'm this
Alright.
one.
Yeah, ready.
Is
Okay,
it-
that was you. Alright, this one.
Okay. I think I got jump, jump, dash.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, ready. Oh gosh. Please, please don't take me all the way back. Okay. Okay,
Look at me,
this
I'm
one.
stretching.
Bro, there must be another like another thing. Oh my! There must be a level for you coming up, right? Don't think about it. Okay, I should have thought about it.
Maybe. See, I'm
Okay, it's gonna
right
get
there.
really close to me.
Yeah, and then go at that time. Yeah.
Yo, one. I can't really think about it. Okay.
Nice one.
Yup.
Oh,
Okay,
I
this one
think-
looks.
Wait.
I got it. What is
This
that?
might
What
be a
is
little too
that?
far. Hold on.
Oops, I jumped off. Okay. No, wait, I jumped off.
Wait, it might not be a good time. But... Hold it.
Oh my
Hold
gosh.
it.
Okay.
Nope. I don't think that was.
Wait, maybe. No. Nah.
Wait, why come up?
Chrissy, you recalled your nail.
Oh, both of them? Oh. I
Yeah.
didn't do that. Wait. That
What?
was a good one. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Is
I-
it, do I, yeah, move it
No.
up a
It's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be good.
little? Like, go right there. Yeah.
Wait, am I gonna die?
Yeah, how you don't die? Maybe I gotta wait to do the second nail. So you could just like jump off at the top.
I think I have to be at the top so I don't
Yeah.
die at the bottom.
Yeah, so I'll just wait. Go ahead. Good time.
Yeah, just give it. I don't know what. Oh, my hands are a little sweaty.
Oh.
Oh. Just give me a second.
Take time, take time. Rush here.
Oh my gosh. What's happening right now? What?
You're going with
Get me up
the
there.
Okay. I'ma do it. Now. Oh.
What? No way. This was hard.
Yeah. Oh, you got it. Okay, I'm gonna let you go around again.
Okay.
Ready? Set. Oh,
What?
is it too low again?
Okay.
Or maybe if I push you closer to the middle, you won't die.
Okay, let me see if I can get that.
Oh, you almost
I
had
am
it.
jumping.
That was
What?
soft balance frustration.
Oh, I'm about to.
You gotta click it.
I am. No, it's a hold. I have to hold it. It's not a click.
Oh, I thought you had to click it.
No, it's a hold.
Oh,
I
I
have
thought
to
you
be like.
hold and then click. Hold, click.
No, it's a hold. It's a hold entirely. You see that little circle that goes around it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Oh.
No. I'll be patient this time.
Okay.
Now,
Oh.
you
Too
saw
far
how.
away. Okay, hold on. Let me move the second one outer more, and then keep the.
You saw that?
Yeah.
Saw that little reverse?
So you want? What, do I need to do anything?
I don't know.
Okay,
That
hold
was
on.
just my mistake.
I'll move the second one out to the edge. Now I'm gonna move this one in towards the middle.
Okay, wait, that could work. Okay, just calm down. Go. Maybe I just hold it. What?
Oh, you put.
What is going on? Okay.
Ella, that was way too early. What?
Oh. What? I'm like. Okay. We just gotta wait till it's really close.
Yeah. Oh, you're so close.
Oh. Okay.
The timing might be off for the second one. Should I move it?
Let's see. Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh!
Euro slide!
I felt like I just saw my character about to die again. If I didn't go, Chrissy.
Got it.
One
Get
more
over
nail.
here.
Pull it out.
I got you.
Fighting saw blades?
Yeah, good. The next round is yours for sure. What am I doing over there?
See on me.
Yeah, I'm supposed to go.
Cause look, over here there's like a whole bunch of things for you to do.
There's.
So
I'm supposed to hit these like something?
can you stop it?
Or do I have to just dash all the way there and you have to hit it? Ready?
Oh yeah, maybe yeah.
Gonna need a boost, Jay.
Oh
Look at him fly.
wait, I'm boosting you, dude.
No, you gotta have.
Oh, you have to jump.
Yeah, you gotta do
Okay,
it on
you have
time. Ready?
Gotcha.
After this one.
Okay.
I'm about to go.
Okay.
I'm going. I'm on.
Okay.
Oh, your little things are over here.
Oh yeah, I think you
Oh,
have to
great.
leave.
Another trust exercise.
What? You think
This section was very long. It actually took the majority of our time away. So I'm gonna do y'all just a slight favor and just speed up this whole entire process, because let me tell you, it made this video almost an hour, actually close to 2 hours long, if I kept in the whole entire thing. So yeah. So go ahead and get it. I have it unlocked.
Okay, let me try this.
Go ahead. No.
Oh,
I don't think we do it that way.
yeah. Which way we did? I think I did the last one first, right? No.
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, that was the best way we did. I think I did like this.
Okay. And do I jump onto it?
Yeah.
Oh, it
jump on
tells you which one it's going to recall back.
It does? Where?
But what's that little spinning thingy?
That's the what?
Like, go lift up your hand again and then move to the right. Move
Oh yeah,
your camera to the right.
it's gonna do one of those two.
Yeah, but it has like a little, like, it's telling you like it's going. You could choose which one.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay, let me see. Ah.
Is it?
Go ahead.
Okay.
You gotta jump up high though. And
Easy.
then...
Okay, this is it.
Okay. Why do you do it? Hey,
Okay.
where's my other one? Wait, where's the other one?
Chrissy, what happened to your third one?
Where is it?
Is it somewhere?
Hold on. Let me try to recall it. Oh, it's in the middle. I thought I recalled it already.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna do this one. Ready?
Okay. Yeah.
Which side are you on? You gotta jump.
Wait, why are you doing that one? Do the one on the far left, right?
No, because you can't jump off that one, can you? You gotta jump and
Okay,
dash.
you have to be quick. You have to be quick, Chrissy, because
Okay.
I'm sliding.
Ready, set, go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay.
I think you gotta go
I just gotta
upstairs
jump.
to the left.
That looks like I'm gonna die if I. No, you have to give me back here. Give me back here again. Get this middle one again. The tall one. The tall one.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright.
See, I knew there was an easier way,
Yeah.
Chrissy.
Okay.
Oh, now what?
I'm gonna go ahead and put this one.
I jump there.
Yeah, I
Oh,
think so.
okay. Oh, my hands are getting sweaty.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay. Okay.
And are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you
Kitty. 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 We know how to do it though. We know how to do it
Yeah,
though.
we know how to do it now.
Come on. Boop, boop, boop.
Are you
Boop.
at top? Oh, let me put this
Okay.
in there.
Ready?
Hold on. You
Wait.
Ready?
Yep. On. Okay.
Oh. I did the wrong one. Thanks for telling me.
I wasn't gonna say. Okay, sir. Okay, come on. I didn't die. I just, I just fell a little bit. I just fell a little bit. I didn't die. Come on now. Come on, let's do this. We know how to do it already. Come on. Boom, boom, boom. Go ahead.
Wait, ready?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh, okay.
Ooh.
Oh wait, I'm out of.
Oh, I got scared. I got scared. Okay.
Jump there.
It's hard on the keyboard. You think I can get the controller for just a moment? Okay, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. I'm ready. Let's do this, let's do this. Just be consistent, be consistent. Keep going.
Someone's
I'm ready.
Ready? Ready?
I'm ready. I'm here. Let's go. I'm
Oh.
here.
Oh, I keep forgetting.
It's not that difficult. Come on.
You gotta jump. Jump. Why you keep back?
Okay. Okay. I love that one there for reassurance.
Okay.
I told you.
Oh my gosh. You gotta run and jump, run, jump.
Okay.
Run, jump, dash. Run,
Jump, dash.
Yep, yeah.
Okay. Run, jump, dash.
You gotta
run,
double
jump,
jump. Jump,
Run,
dash.
jump, dash. Okay.
Double jump.
What two?
Yeah, see?
This was a very monumental moment for us, y'all. Y'all don't understand. This was very monumental, so I just want to say that. What two?
You know, you two have pretty good teamwork.
I don't know about that.
Yes. Where am I? Oh, I gotta turn my camera around.
You gotta come break these glasses.
I'm here.
Where's the next checkpoint at?
Thanks.
I'm here.
Sure.
Come here. Get up here. Get up here. Come on.
There's the toolbox. Both of you, come on. Help me break it open.
So yeah, we was actually about to end the recording after this part because me was hungry. I was hungry, okay? So we was about to end it, but guess what? Guess what? A boss battle came into play. Okay, this is our last one. Our last checkpoint.
I don't think it's like that.
Wait, are we in a boss battle, Chrissy?
Are we in a boss battle? I looked at chat, so.
We're in a boss
Get
battle.
that grimy toolbox.
Hang in there,
We're in a
tool
boss
buddies.
battle. Okay, I guess.
Ooh.
Ooh! Chrissy! Chrissy! Oh, that was gruesome. You didn't even tell me. You didn't even tell me that.
Stop playing hard to catch.
Oh, I came down
Oh,
here.
where did you go?
You'll never get away with this, you stupid.
Oh, we got.
toolbox.
Okay, we got.
Yeah.
Oh no. This is already started.
I'll wait for you. Oop.
Ah, okay.
Ready? Oh, there we
Oh.
go. Now let's go. Oh, wait.
Wait, what?
Get over here. Get over here. Nails coming. Come. Oh, nails.
What did I do? I'm looking. I'm looking. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Can I run across that? Brick.
Jump, 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 jump.
Oh, nails. Go, go, go. Where's your next? Oh, hit it, hit it. Ah! Hit that over there, hit that over there.
Oh. Jump it down, Shanna. Oh, got me.
Go, nails.
Faster, Nate, faster!
I'm trying, but you're a bit heavy-headed.
Oh, it actually got me. Back up. Jump. No way, Chrissy, no way. Oh, Chrissy. Let me just wait. Be patient. Oh my gosh. I just go over.
Jumping too hard.
Why can't I just get the checkpoint? Then you get the checkpoint.
Oh. See. What is that?
What? Chrissy, how did I die? How did I die?
Go.
What?
Alright,
Come up here.
No, you gotta come hit this way.
Oh. Hurry!
Oh,
It got me.
Is that too low?
You can make it.
I don't
Oh,
think
I think it might be too low.
Wait. I think it's too low.
Okay, yeah, remove it.
Wait, nails. Hit it. Hold on, nails. Wait. Let's after this round. Hit it.
Chrissy!
Where's mom? Alright. Oh.
Nails.
Oh,
Big nails.
God. Don't die.
Oh, here.
Just watch out for the nails.
See, the toolbox is over there.
God.
Go.
We're getting closer. Come on.
Nails.
Ah! Okay, go, Chrissy. Nails. Your nail. Ah. Your nail on the right.
Oh, okay. Alright, ready.
Oh,
Good one, Cody.
Oh, nails.
nails.
Yeah.
What is this? A Power Rangers or something? What are we supposed to do?
I'm supposed to hit him?
Stop! Oh, nails. What are you supposed to do though? Oh, he's showing you his
Oh, hit me.
nail his arm.
I got it. Oh. fast with it.
Again! Oh. Right there! You forgot the what? You gotta nail this one, Chrissy, first.
Wait, oh, there's one right over there?
Yeah. That will
Okay.
keep his arm intact.
Okay. Okay.
Oh god. Hey, go ahead.
Get me to the other side.
Got it.
Taste my steel, Toolbox!
He's scooping me up. Oh. Chrissy?
What's that?
What type of tool?
Toolbox is crazy!
Yeah. Next time I'm buying a smaller one.
Creating holes.
Oh. That.
Hold on. Wait, what?
Oh.
What?
Kill me.
What? I think I'm dead. What should we do?
Okay, he's
Is
back.
it- Again. Let's not go through that again. No way.
Oh, I fell off. Don't fall. Anna.
No! Because I started glitching for you.
Oh. I did
Do it
try.
again. He's doing it again.
Oh, I fell.
Get back! I don't know what happens if we both die during this.
No, I think I restarted.
Okay, again, it's still happening again.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, I got hit. Oh my god.
why did I fall off?
I
You
think I-
recalled it,
I think I
Chrissy.
recalled both of them.
His arm is still there! Oh, not this again. Ow! I died. Oh my god. It's happening again.
It's coming.
Go!
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh,
No. Pissy.
It's okay, it's okay. You got this.
Where am I?
You got to do it.
Coming!
Anna, you dead?
Just do it. I'm coming back.
You got this, Anna. You got this. It's okay, it's okay.
Oh, okay. Jump. Hit. Jump. Why? What? I barely have time.
It's okay, it's okay.
Heads up!
Oh!
Okay.
Relax,
We're okay. Jump. One,
Got it,
2,
got it.
3. Jump. What? 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 Why am I not making that? I'm about to turn this game off. I'm so close to turning this game off.
The controller next time.
Might as well just stay dead, right?
No, because what if I die? Slap me, I might die.
Watch out!
I got the pet.
One, two, three, jump! 1, 2, 3, jump!
Yes! Yes! Hit him, hit him, hit him!
Let those fools go!
Oh.
Oh my god.
That's gotta hurt.
There's more.
Now what?
What are we supposed to be doing? I think I'm supposed to hit it. What am I supposed to
dead.
hit it?
Can't we talk about this, Toolbox?
How do you let him?
We're long past negotiating, Cody.
You see how he's targeting me like that? Is it?
Oh, I literally jumped off.
Oh, you're supposed to get on, Chrissy! Oh, you have to
get
get
on
on it when I hit it. Yeah, you're
Okay.
supposed to get on.
Why do that keep killing me?
Again.
John, now?
Oh, this is it. Yeah. Oh.
Good on there, Cody.
Nails, nails, nails,
Man, this toolbox is going crazy.
nails.
Hey, watch those nails!
Got this.
Oh, watch the saw, watch the saw.
Oh my god. Stay calm in a situation.
Yeah, stay calm. Watch the saw,
This
though.
is the sweet spot right here. This is the sweet spot right here.
Oh. I'm supposed to run away from... Oh, God.
Jump! It hit me. No.
Oh,
Get me back up
Okay,
This
go
is
ahead.
it. Get it! One more time!
Oh.
Gotta survive some more.
That's right.
Sweet spot right here, Chrissy.
We're running out of real estate here!
Be right here. Yup. Yup. Okay.
Oh,
Where are we
don't let him
supposed to
kill
go?
you. Oh. He's trying to back up the
Get on her! Get on her!
He's following me, dang it.
I died.
Anna, get back, get back.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That was intense. The next round should be your round. Like, what?
What do you mean, my round?
Like, they should make you do all the hard jumpy stuff.
Yes, I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. Ooh, it tickles. It tickles. Ha! Yeah. There you go. Thank you. Oh, woohoo! I feel brand new. Look at me. I'm whole. I'm whole. You saved us from that rusted toolbox. Thank you, May. You are
Thank
a
you,
true
May.
hero.
Oh, thank
You knew.
Hannah.
Hey, what about me?
What
huh?
about me?
I was part of this too. Where's my hero love? Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to Rose.
Oh,
We have a
course,
connection.
Of course. Sebastian, can you help him out? They have to get to the other side.
What?
Whoa,
Wow.
flexible.
Step on board.
Really?
Okay, you sure?
Come on, it's safe.
Okay. Ooh.
This doesn't feel safe. I'm not sure.
Just relax.
Okay.
Don't worry, he's very precise. Sebastian, sling it!
Oh no! She's leaving!
Rose!
Rose, wait! We need your help!
Mum and Dad! Don't close the door!
See, it's still daytime.
No!
Why was she sleeping?
Out! Rose!
I
Oh,
think
you
she was just napping.
stupid book!
Oh, you've locked us in, you idiots!
Now we're stuck in here!
Stuckness is a mental construct. If you stare at the closed door, you will miss the one that's open.
Okay, FYI, there is only one door in this shed.
And one window.
Good thinking, man! Woo! Let's go to the window. Woo!
Book is out of his mind, okay?
Wow.
Okay.
We were
let's
playing
finish.
for like almost 2 hours.
We have.
Alright, that wraps up chapter 2 of the Toolbox. We got through the boss battle, survived the chaos, and somehow didn't throw our controller or our keyboards at each other. Next chapter is coming up, and things definitely, I don't know how things went because I haven't recorded or played it yet, but that does not matter. We got through this, y'all. If you got to the end of the video, I hope y'all like it, and if y'all want more, comment, subscribe, like the video. I really don't know, just say you want more. And with that being said, I'll see y'all around. Bye bye.